Introduction 4. Take control of your life, building confidence and self-esteem. Confidence and self-esteem play a significant role in our personal and professional lives. They shape the way we think about ourselves and impact the decisions we make. Unfortunately, low confidence and self-esteem can hold us back and prevent us from achieving our full potential. The good news is that confidence and self-esteem can be developed and improved. By understanding the importance of confidence and self-esteem, embracing our unique qualities, setting meaningful goals, practicing self-care, and engaging in confidence-boosting activities, we can take control of our lives and build a positive self-image. In this blog post, we'll explore the importance of confidence and self-esteem, and provide tips and strategies for building and maintaining them. Whether you're looking to improve your self-image, overcome insecurities, or achieve your full potential, this article will provide practical and actionable advice to help you on your journey. So, let's get started. The importance of confidence and self-esteem can't be overstated. Confidence and self-esteem shape the way we think about ourselves and impact the decisions we make. When we have high confidence and self-esteem, we feel good about ourselves and are more likely to take risks, pursue our goals, and live life to the fullest. Confidence and self-esteem also impact our relationships with others. When we feel good about ourselves, we're more likely to form strong and meaningful connections with others. We're also more likely to assert ourselves in social situations and stand up for what we believe in. In the workplace, confidence and self-esteem are crucial for success. When we have confidence in our abilities and believe in ourselves, we're more likely to take on challenges, present our ideas with conviction, and succeed in our careers. Low confidence and self-esteem, on the other hand, can have the opposite effect. When we don't believe in ourselves, we're less likely to take risks, pursue our goals, and form strong relationships with others. We may also struggle to assert ourselves in social situations and perform at our best in the workplace. In short, confidence and self-esteem are critical for personal and professional success, and it's important to invest time and effort into building and maintaining them. Building confidence and self-esteem takes time, effort, and dedication, but the steps to get there are straightforward and achievable. Here's an overview of the steps to building confidence and self-esteem. Embrace your unique qualities. Recognize and embrace your strengths, skills, and unique qualities. Focus on what you do well, rather than comparing yourself to others. Break negative self-talk patterns. Negative self-talk can be damaging to confidence and self-esteem. Identify and challenge negative thoughts, and replace them with positive self-affirmations. Set achievable and meaningful goals. Setting goals can help build confidence and self-esteem. Choose goals that are achievable and meaningful to you, and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Practice self-care. Self-care is important for physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as exercise, meditation, and spending time with loved ones. Engage in confidence-boosting activities. Participating in confidence-boosting activities, such as public speaking, trying new things, and volunteering, can help build confidence and self-esteem. Choose activities that challenge and stretch you, but that are still within your comfort zone. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can help build and maintain confidence and self-esteem. Seek out individuals who uplift and encourage you, and avoid those who bring you down. By incorporating these steps into your life, you can take control of your life and build confidence and self-esteem. Remember, building confidence and self-esteem is a journey, and it takes time and effort to see results. But with persistence and dedication, you can unlock your full potential and live the life you want. Confidence and self-esteem are essential components of mental and emotional well-being. They shape the way we think about ourselves and impact the decisions we make. When we have high confidence and self-esteem, we feel good about ourselves and are more likely to take risks, pursue our goals, and live life to the fullest. Confidence is defined as the belief in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. It helps us feel capable and secure in our decisions and actions. High confidence can lead to increased resilience, improved relationships, and greater success in personal and professional life. Self-esteem, on the other hand, refers to the way we view and value ourselves. It influences our level of self-worth and how we feel about ourselves as individuals. When we have high self-esteem, we believe in ourselves and our abilities, and we feel good about who we are. Low confidence and self-esteem, on the other hand, can hold us back and prevent us from achieving our full potential. Negative self-talk, feelings of inadequacy, and a lack of self-worth can impact our decision-making, relationships, and performance. In short, confidence and self-esteem play a significant role in our lives and impact our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Building and maintaining high levels of confidence and self-esteem is an important step towards living a fulfilling and successful life. Having high confidence and self-esteem bring many benefits to our lives. Some of the key benefits include improved decision-making. When we have high confidence and self-esteem, we're more likely to trust our instincts and make decisions with conviction. This can lead to more effective problem-solving and increased success in both personal and professional life. Stronger relationships. High confidence and self-esteem can improve our relationships with others. When we feel good about ourselves, we're more likely to form strong and meaningful connections with others and assert ourselves in social situations. Increased resilience. When we have confidence in our abilities, we're better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks. This can lead to increased resilience and the ability to bounce back from difficult situations. Better performance in the workplace. In the workplace, high confidence and self-esteem are crucial for success. When we have confidence in our abilities and believe in ourselves, we're more likely to take on challenges, present our ideas with conviction, and succeed in our careers. Improved mental and emotional well-being. High confidence and self-esteem can improve our overall mental and emotional well-being. When we feel good about ourselves, we're less likely to experience feelings of anxiety, depression, and stress. In short, high confidence and self-esteem bring many benefits to our lives. They shape the way we think about ourselves, impact the decisions we make, and play a significant role in our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. By investing time and effort into building and maintaining confidence and self-esteem, we can unlock our full potential and live the life we want. Tips for improving self-image. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is crucial for building self-esteem. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, like exercising, reading, or spending time with loved ones. Surround yourself with positive people. Spending time with people who support and encourage you can have a big impact on your self-image. Seek out positive relationships and limit time spent with negative or critical people. Identify and challenge negative self-talk. We all have an inner voice that can be critical and negative. Becoming aware of these thoughts and challenging them with positive self-talk can help improve your self-image. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you're grateful for can help you see the positive aspects of your life and improve your self-image. Try keeping a gratitude journal or making a list of things you're thankful for each day. Embrace your unique qualities. We all have qualities that make us unique and special. Embracing and celebrating these qualities can help improve your self-image and boost your confidence. Set achievable goals. Setting goals and working towards them can help you feel a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-image. Make sure to set achievable goals and celebrate your progress along the way. In summary, there are many steps you can take to improve your self-image and boost your confidence and self-esteem. By practicing self-care, surrounding yourself with positive people, challenging negative self-talk, and embracing your unique qualities, you can take control of your life and live the life you want.